Fire in the hole, let's make some orange chicken. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. Today we're going to talk about a certain fast food oriental restaurant. I'm calling it the Panda Bear restaurant. You know what I'm talking about. I went there years ago. I didn't like it. I never went back. I went there recently on the recommendations of a friend who said you got to try the orange chicken. Well, I tried the orange chicken and it wasn't too bad. It's not worth going there, but it's their signature dish. Probably the best thing they got going. Anyway, what I got is a bunch of white meat chicken breast here. Sorry about my voice. Got it cut up. We're going to put a beaten egg on top of that. Beat up an egg. Mix that on there. We got some pepper. Cracked black pepper. Call it a tablespoon of cracked black pepper. And about a tablespoon of salt. Just regular salt. That's too much salt. Get some of that back in there. Yeah, it's about a tablespoon of salt in there. Some of it went in the container. Gonna mix that all up real good. And then we got to put in about a tablespoon of cornstarch. A heaping tablespoon of cornstarch. We're going to make a kind of a batter because we're going to fry this chicken up. I think I need a little bit more cornstarch than that. In fact, I know I do. This has to got to come to a kind of a white color. And I shouldn't have dipped my spoon in the cornstarch, but let's just shake some of that out of there. There we go. Okay, so I think I'm getting that done. That's the batter. We're gonna fry this in the wok. It's gonna be dicey because I'm working with open fire here, but we'll do what we have to do. A little bit more cornstarch, I think. I wish I had another way of getting it out of there, but I don't because I messed up my spoon. There we go. There you go. Okay, that's enough cornstarch. Surely that's enough. Okay. Alright, so we've got our chicken coated with the batter. We're going to set that aside. We're going to make our sauce. The sauce consists of a cup of orange juice, to which we're going to add the zest of an orange, some minced garlic, and some minced ginger into a cup of orange juice. This is going to be the sauce for the chicken after it's cooked. We've got a tablespoon of rice wine vinegar to go in there. Get that mixed up. That orange zest broken up in there. We've got some chili flakes. About a tablespoon of chili flakes to put in there to give it a little kick. I don't know if they do that at the restaurant or not, but I'm doing it. Now we got a tablespoon of soy sauce to go in there. There you go. Like I said, this is not an authentic Oriental recipe. This is something somebody made up and it clicked, you know. It's their most popular dish. Got a tablespoon of Shao TSing cooking wine. Shut up, dog. And a tablespoon of sugar. As if that wasn't sweet enough, you put a tablespoon of sugar in there. Just regular table sugar. Okay, so we've got the sauce made up. We've got the chicken marinating. We're going to get the wok on the fire and get some hot oil going and deep fry our chicken. So stay tuned. Okay, the way to test the oil to see if it's hot enough to fry, you take a chopstick and dip in there. You see the bubbles coming off that chopstick? You know your oil's hot enough. So now we're going to fry up that chicken. Then we'll get it off there, clean out the wok, make the sauce, and put this dish together. Stay tuned. What happened? Hey, my oil's hot enough to fry now, so we're frying the chicken up. I wanted to show you how to check it with a chopstick, but apparently I didn't press record. But anyway, let's get our chicken cooked up. And we'll get it out of the pan. And then we'll make our sauce. So stay tuned. Okay, the orange sauce is thickened up. What we're going to do now is dump the chicken back in and coat it well with that sauce. And then it'll be time to plate it up. That's all there is to it. Orange chicken, look at that. Just like they have at the Panda Bear place. Don't that look good? I think it does. Wow. I had a little trepidation there with that hot oil and that wok on the barbecue, but I think I got it done. Yep, it's looking good, shiny and good. Let me get that in a plate, get a beer, and we'll take a taste of Panda Bear orange chicken. Hopefully I can get it out of the sun where you'll be able to see it. Sorry about that sunlight, it's just at the wrong angle this time of year. Okay, stay tuned. We're getting ready to plate this up and taste it. That's my orange chicken, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the Frosty Root Boy mug. Star of the show. You know all about that, right? Here's today's beer. This is Rogue Bat Squatch Hazy India Pale Ale. It's got a ABV of 6.7. It's a hazy IPA. Rob, you know I love a hazy IPA. Let's take a sniff of this. Let's pour it out without spilling it. Like I did last week. Gonna pour it out, a hazy IPA. I can't wait to get this in my mouth. I am dying right now. It's so hot out here. Oh yeah, did it without spilling it. Look at the beautiful color of that. It's the color of oranges. Can you see it? Perfectly matched with my orange chicken. Let's take a sniff of it, Rob. I know it's going to smell good. Ah, it smells great. Smells of mandarin oranges. That's what it smells of. Let's quaff the froth off it, Rob. Wow. That's another winner, ladies and gentlemen. Rogue Brewing Company Bat Squatch. Let's get the orange chicken over here and get some of that in my mouth. I can't wait to taste it. Don't that look good? Let me get that in my mouth. Wow, it's delicious. Really. That, I want to get a smaller piece. Here we go. That is some seriously good chicken. The taste of oranges is delicious. Sorry. Yeah, it's delicious. So that's the only thing that place has got going for them, is this orange chicken. This is a winner recipe. Winner, winner chicken dinner right there. Let me tell you what, babies. You know who else who knows about this kind of stuff? My buddy Jay from Vancouver. I think he's in Vancouver or Toronto, or he's in Canada somewhere. And he runs the YouTube channel Tipsy Cooking. I should be tipsy soon as I finish this IPA. Anyway, go up in the iCard and check out Jay if you don't like what I'm doing. If you like what I'm doing, go down there and subscribe. Give me a like on this video and subscribe. Go see my buddy Jay. He's cooking up some good stuff too. That's a winner. I'll tell you what. I understand now why that restaurant stays in business. It's because of this one dish. And this one dish alone carries them along. Anyway, babies, I got a special wrap up for the fast food series next week. You don't want to miss it. So stay tuned. We'll see you next week. Bye.